Good morning, kids! For our mathematics subject, we will tackle about place value of numbers. Okay, in knowing the place value of numbers, we're going to use a place value chart. And what is a place value chart, kids? It is a diagram that helps us to find and compare the place value of the digits. So this is what it looks like. We have ones in the right, going to the left, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, let's have some example here on how to know what are the place value of each number. So this is a place value chart. We have the numeral, place value for hundreds, tens, and ones. So for our numeral, this is 645. So for hundreds place value, we have 6. For tens place value, we have 4. Very good. And for the ones place value, we have 5. So ano nga sinabi ko last year? Ones always nasa right. Papunta tayo sa left, it is followed by tens and then hundreds. If we have 4-digit numbers, then that will be 4 thousands. Nakuha? Very good. So again, 6 is 600 since it is in the hundreds place value. 4 is equivalent to 40. Very good. Since 4 ay nasa tens place value. And 5 naman is equivalent to 5. Magaling. Dahil si 5 ay nasa ones place value. So, ano nga ang sabi ko? For ones, hindi tayo maglalagay ng 0. For tens, only 1 0 after the number. And then for hundreds, 2 zeros after the number. This means that there are 6 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. Now, let's have another example here. Our numeral is 689. So, let's place it in a value or place value chart. So, for ones, we have 9. Very good. For tens, we have 8. For 6, we have hundreds. Very good. So we have 6 hundreds, 8 tens, and 9 ones for 689. Next, we have 724. So let's place it in a place value chart. Ones is 4, 4. Tens is 4, 2. Very good. And hundreds is 4, 7. Therefore, we have 7 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. Another example, 912. For ones, we have 2. Very good. Tens, 1, and hundreds, 9. Very good. So we have 9 hundreds, 1 10, and 2 ones. And for our last example, we have 609. So 9 is 4. Ones, very good. 0 is 4. Tens, and 6 is 4. Hundreds, very good. We have 6 hundreds, 0 tens, and 9 ones. Okay, so for us to have a practice, let's answer Get Ready on page 12 of your book. Tell how many hundreds, tens, and ones. For number 1, we have 109. So how many hundreds? 1. Very good. How many tens? 0. And how many ones? 9. Very good. For number 2, 384. How many hundreds? 3. How many tens? 8. And how many ones? 4. Very good. For number 3, 519. How many hundreds? 5. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 9. Okay, for number 4, 675, how many hundreds? 6. How many tens? 7. And how many ones? 5. Very good. For number 5, 763, how many hundreds? 7. And how many tens? 6. How many ones? 3. Very good. For number 6, 823, how many hundreds? 8. How many tens? 2. And how many ones? 3. Very good. Okay, now let's answer work together on page 12 of your book. Write the place value of the underlined digit on the line. For number 7, let's continue. 164. The underlined digit is 4. So what is the place value of 4? Very good. It's ones. For number 8, 483. The underlined digit is 4. What is the place value of 4? Very good. It's hundreds. For number 9, 731. The underlined digit is 7. What is the place value of 7? And the answer is hundreds. Very good. For number 10, 642. The underlined digit is 4. What is the place value of 4? Very good. It's tens. For number 11, we're going to write the value of the underlined digit still on the line. So 122. The underlined digit is 2. What is the place value of 2? Very good. It's tens. For number 12, 634, the underlined digit is 6. What is the place value of 6? Hundreds. Very good. For number 13, 904, the underlined digit is 0. What is the place value of 0? Tens. Very good. And for number 14, 435, the underlined digit is 5. What is the place value of 5? Ones. Very good. And lastly, let us answer on page 14 of your book. Read each sentence. Write on the line the place value of the underlined digit. For number 1, the distance from Manila to Muñoz in Nueva Ecija is about 150 kilometers. The underlined digit is 5. Now, what is the place value of 5? Very good. It's tens. Number 2. The Magno family traveled a distance of 562 kilometers. The underlined digit is 5. What is the place value of 5? Very good. It's hundreds. For number 3, Mang Tomas delivered 1,000 kilograms of meat to different stalls in the market. The underlined digit is 1. What is the place value of 1? Very good. It's thousands. Why thousands? It's because we have 4 digits na. Okay? And for number 4, there are 955 people in the plaza who are watching the fiesta celebration. The underlined digit is 5. What is the place value of 5? And the answer is tens. Very good. So before we end this discussion, kids, always remember each digit in a number occupies a certain place. Each place has its value. The place values in a three-digit number are hundreds, tens, and ones. And the value of a digit depends on the place it occupies in a number. So that would be all for today, kids. Again, this is Teacher Juna. Have a good day and keep safe. Bye-bye!